Meru County kuringana na data ya researchers niyo etongeretie na mirimo ya cancer ogeta kiri cibitari cietu ta Kenyatta National Hospital, Texas Cancer Center na cibitari nyingi ira cie Kenya, India, ogeta nao uthoania ni Meru nontu baraba ingi bandimiti kuo bena thina ya murimo wa nyimba kana cancer ni antu bakuma Meru na muno rutere rwa Nyambene, rutere rwa Igembe ni bononto Africa Health Hope Foundation yena ngwataniro kana in partnership na office ya Deputy Governor Meru tu kwenda kwethira twina free medical camp kana kuonwa kulaithwa mwiri imandaktari kutena marei kura kukethira kuri kuo tariki 13 mweri uyu ena kianine kia mairi 3 Igembe Central toume Igembe tukeya tubwithie cancer screening ndene ya Tiania touma Tiania tweye rutere rwa Imenti alafu tuitie Bore na iyo ngoge woni ta Deputy Governor tuena partnership kana tukiwatanaira na ntobara bawendi bobo ya muno manto na ya ndawa na ugima bwa mwiri kenda turita nonto office ya Deputy Governor kagitaga kainge ya thai etena ngugi ira tomba kuwa ne chikorita ngai agampa kanya ya kauria sore kauria NGOs kauria foundations kauria any willing partner ake ya gututethia nikenda tomba korwa na murimo yoyo wa cancer ndene ya Meru County.
We are trying to see how we can help people back at the community on the basis of bringing awareness to people should do the checkup. It's an curable disease if it's in early stage. For now, we are trying to bring the awareness of the cancer, and I could request the people of Meru to take care of themselves. If they feel someone is feeling or is not feeling well or she's not feeling well, she should try to go and do some checkup, because on the earliest stage it's manageable.
Yo toma ikuobi kainge sana ote ntora ete kuthika antobakwete no ntoba murimo yo cancer anabeti wa bare orphans kana be anantiwa akorobati wa ne korobao ekorobati wa ne akorobao no ntoba murimo yo cancer kinto kyabiere muntu mbere yakwa muno ke ako kwa tested we stage ya mwisho stage 4 most of the time nanga ngai wengwa no ntotebu atomba kutethera kwena wirigiro bonene na mbere muntu akwa into beyond the birabiende na ya family anto barendia mburi bakendia ngoko bakendia ng'ombe bakendia miunda na mwishowe muntu ro gututairwa ni family na kinya community ageta na nteto yuni gutuma anto beto ba Meru bagatua barenkia